Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel, Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for your Class 1 medical exam on eGCA. I'm sure by now you all have an eGCA ID and already have gotten your Class 2 medical assessment. If not, please do check my video on how to create an eGCA account and then how to apply for your Class 2 medical examination. So now that you have your Class 2 medical assessment, you're eligible to get your Class 1 medical. It's always better to get your Class 1 medical examination done before you proceed for your flying training. Class 1 medical is just not like your Class 2 medical. It lasts for a span of 2 to 3 days and it is a thorough body checkup that happens at one of your Air Force hospitals. So, even if there is a minute problem in you and if it is not acceptable as per the aviation standards, you are going to be put down medically. You will either be temporarily unfit or you will be permanent unfit. Temporarily unfit, you still have an option of appealing and coming back for your medical in case you have to get your there has to be a review at other hospitals and then you are called back for your review. You are asked to do some tests and then come back. If they think okay, your case is acceptable, you will be declared medically fit. If not, if it is still not acceptable, then you are going to be permanently unfit. So to avoid all this happening at the later stage of your training, it is always better to get your Class 1 medical done before you proceed for your flying training. So today, let's see how to apply for your Class 1 medical exam. So you have to type eGCA login and you will click on login eGCA. Here you have to, I'm assuming you already have your eGCA login ID and password. So you just have to go on eGCA login and enter your details, type the code and then click on enter. So now your home page for the eGCA is going to open up and on your left you will see medical services. So you have to click on medical services. And here you will be clicking on issuance of medical examination and there issuance of Class 1 medical. So you'll see on your right, you'll see an option and you just click on proceed. Now here it is medical center selection. You can select, I'm selecting 11 Air Force Hospital Hindon. This is just an example and you click on next. So you come down, you scroll down on your next page, check for the details. On your remarks, you will have to enter your mobile number. It will not be accepted otherwise. So on the remarks section, you have to give your mobile number. And then you click on submit. And here the terms and conditions, I agree and again submit. Now you will see the details, your depositor's details. So it will have your name and address and everything. And you scroll down and you just click on the next and you will reach your payment page. So whichever is your mode of payment, click on that and you can make the payment for the medical exam. And after filling, I acknowledge and confirm. And Bharat Kosh, this is also Bharat Kosh, but you don't have to log into Bharat Kosh. So this is directly done over here itself. And then you click on pay. You will get a confirmation page. Here just click on confirm. The fees is 3,000 rupees here. And so here your payment is now done. Now after the payment is made, you will have to come back to the basic details page and go to medical declaration where you will have a medical declaration to answer the yes and no's basically. So please check for whatever fits you and then click on the options accordingly. Please be very sure about whatever you're checking is correct because your any which way is going to be checked thoroughly for your Class 1 medical examination. So there's no point hiding in case you have any medical history or whatever. Just be open about whatever it is and be true to whatever you're answering. So once you're done answering all that, are you on any medication? You can click yes or no. Then have you ever undergone a eGCA medical examination? Yes, you have. You have undergone your Class 2 medical examination. So you have to put in the details. It asks for the class. You have to write 2 and then your date of medical examination. You'll put that accordingly. And then you have your applicant's declaration which says I hereby declare the statements and answers are correct. Just tick on that and then you can submit or you can cancel your appointment, whatever it is. And I'm clicking on submit. So now you have successfully applied for your Class 1 medical examination. You can still track your status. You go back to your home page and you click on track status, or if you scroll down, you will find the status of upcoming medicals given over there. You can just check. You'll see how many days are left for your upcoming medical. So on the day of your medical, you just have to reach your medical exam center and all your tests are going to be done. And finally, if you are certified to be fit, your medical assessment will again be uploaded on eGCA. So this, my friends, was a quick video on how to apply for your Class 1 medical examination on eGCA. I hope you find my video useful. Stay tuned to our channel for more such informative videos and updates. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!